Our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, when a servant says subhan'allah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells the angels, "Oh my angels, write for my servant an abundance of my mercy." And when my servant says Allahu Akbar, I tell my angels, write for my servant an abundance of my mercy. Amazing, right? Now listen to this last one. And when my servant says La ilaha illallah, Allah tells the angels, "Oh my angels, write for my servant an abundance of my love." La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah, La ilaha illallah. Imagine something so simple, and your Lord tells His angel to write for you an abundance of His love.